Welcome, guys. Happy Super Bowl Sunday. Crypto FUD. Let's jump right into this one. All right, so I have Render token up. Looks like it's having a nice pump today. To be honest, the market doesn't look bad. Looks like we're getting a little Super Bowl pump. Quick story. 2020, I think it was 2021, maybe 2021. I had just like a few months prior, I had just bought into like Doge at like 3 cents, Dogecoin. And I remember, just holding on to it was like 3 cents, and I bought a bunch of it. So, buddy, just was getting into crypto, and a buddy had told me, how to buy it and stuff like that. And he's like, "Oh, this is gonna pump." I was more into stocks at the time and stuff like that. So I bought a bunch, and I remember Super Bowl night. It was basically like 3 years ago from today, or 2 years ago, whenever this happened. It was right before Dogecoin and everything really jumped up. I think it was like 2 years ago, 21. But I remember looking at my phone and looking, and Dogecoin was up at like to like 9.5 cents, and I'm like flipping out. I'm like just tripled my money and stuff like that. So I'm just bringing that up because never know. We could see a nice pump today. I don't think it has anything to correlate with Super Bowl, but who knows? Things go, things act funny, with crypto, especially because it's 24/7 trading. So Render, get back on topic here. Looks like it's having a nice pump today. Let me see here. So for the day, we're looking at somewhere around 20%, about 19%. Definitely looks good. Again, like I said, and if you haven't already, make sure you guys are subscribing to my channel just so you guys can get instant alerts to any of my videos that do come out. Um, like I said yesterday, basically, it's good to see these altcoins are still pumping. That's a good sign for the market because that usually will start before we get into like a real bullish narrative, or dare I say even a bull market. You'll always see altcoins, especially meme coins, have nice rallies, and we have seen, Doge was running, I think, like last week or a week before that. Shiba had a nice run like a week or two ago. Doggy Mars is still doing great. You have a lot of these meme coins that are definitely jumping up. That means a lot of these meme coin investors are jumping back in, or they're just adding to their bags, which is awesome. Render token obviously isn't a meme coin, but just bringing it up, like I said, the whole altcoin ecosystem is definitely looking good. Each coin and token looks like they're having some sort of pump. Maybe it doesn't happen all at once, but like one day it's this token, one day it's that coin. So looks great. Render, it looks like, so it had a nice jump up. This actually wasn't that long ago. This was like last week. Well, let me point out this beautiful rally right here. This thing looks great. These stair steps, that's what you want to see, a natural growth instead of a straight up pump, 30, 40, 50%, because a lot of times whenever something just shoots up so fast, a lot of times people are just in it real quick and they're going to jump out, take those profits. If you see, I mean, it looks like it just tests new levels and then it kind of will cool off, get some good support, find a new level. Buyers will come in, and then it'll kind of cool off, find some support. Buyers will come in. I call it the staircase, where it's just a natural, beautiful growth. So it looked like it had a local high of somewhere around $2.20, we'll call it. Definitely hit that resistance, and then it kind of trickled down on its way down, bounced on the 0.5 fib line right here, which was $1.31. Looks like it consolidated a little bit, broke the 382 fib, and now it's definitely, like I said today, it's up nearly 20% at $1.66 currently at this video. Does look great. What do I see as far as levels? If we could break the 2.3, which would be about $1.79, $1.80 mark, that's going to be a big spot of resistance that I think it might get rejected multiple times. But if it keeps testing that 236 level, which is $1.80, then we might be talking about possibly jumping back up to another where the local high was, somewhere around $2, and we'll just call it $2.20. So if we are going to see some kind of a retracement, like I said before, has some great beautiful support that it bounced right off that point 0.5, which is $1.31. If you aren't in this project, or if you're looking to accumulate to add to your bag, not financial advice, maybe that's a level for you to look for at $1.31. If we aren't going to bounce, we could see like a little cool off and maybe just go to this 382 level, because if you look back here when it was on its way up, that was a nice spot of some support, which would be at $1.52. That could be like a little fake out to where it possibly will jump up to the 236 level at $1.80, and then possibly blast off back up to this local high. If it breaks that local high, which I honestly don't see it happening today, and I only say that not to burst anyone's bubble or anything like that, but you're talking another 32% gain. Probably not going to happen today, but maybe it's the how this worked, the staircase. Maybe it'll have a nice run, cool off, bounce off that 382, have a run to the 236. Maybe go about halfway up to about $2.05, somewhere around that area, because it looks like $2.02 to be exact was a nice spot of some support. Might hit that resistance, bounce back at the 236, and then start running for another local high, maybe breaking that $2.20. If you guys want to see what's going to happen after the $2.20, to be honest, I mean, look at this chart. We'd have to go all the way back. We're talking back last year, almost a year ago in April. You're talking, levels where looks like $2.25, I think, is going to be a major spot of resistance. Because if you look back, this was a year ago. This was where the support was technically, and it always flips. Whenever you see like old support, will be new resistance when we're on our way back up. So that's probably what the next level you're looking at for a major bounce. If we break that $2.20 mark, you're probably looking at a bounce at around $2.25, and then maybe retesting the 236 level. So, but I'm going to leave it there. Render token looks great. Again, guys, if you haven't already, make sure you guys are subscribing so you guys can get those instant alerts whenever I do drop videos. I'll make sure to keep coming out with videos every single day. If you guys have any suggestions on tokens, coins, projects, anything like that, leave me a nice comment. And any of the videos, I'm checking them daily, and I'll look into whatever project you want, and we'll definitely map out what we need to as far as levels of key resistance, support, maybe some good buy zones. Hope you guys have a wonderful Super Bowl Sunday. Make sure you guys aren't drinking and driving or anything like that. Thank you guys again. I'll see you soon.